and welcome to Manasana Sabi. We are here to celebrate Pia's third birthday. I want everybody stand up and we will be having a warm-up. Okay, tayo po muna tayo lahat. Okay, so mag-warm-up po muna tayo. So, sundan niyo lamang po ako. Everybody, do the spaghetti.
Oh my God.
Okay, I want all do the spaghetti. Okay, put spaghetti pababa, pataas. Okay lang po. Spaghetti. And do the hand wave. And do the ocho-ocho. Kung alam niyo naman yung ocho-ocho, di ba? Okay, now. Okay, everybody, do the spaghetti.
This spaghetti.
Do the hand wave. Do the ocho-ocho. Do the and now let's call on Daddy Ian, Daddy Benny, and together with our celebrant, Pia. Okay, now and enjoy our celebration. Okay, to start our party, we will call on Tito Bong to bless this event.
Kami ngayong gabi nito sa okasyon na ito sa special birthday celebration ni Bia. Sana i-bless mo po siya kasama ng kanyang pamilya, kanyang daddy at mami, kanyang lola, lolo, at ang mga friends ni Bia, i-bless mo rin po. Sana po itong celebration na to ay maging masaya, mag-enjoy pong lahat at mag-bless pong lahat sa birthday na to. Ito po yung binabalik namin sa ngalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, guys, are you ready to have some fun?
Yes.
Okay, we will be having a game. So this time, kids muna.
You have a Oh, you are. So you have to.
Okay, kids, come on in front. And we will be having a game.
Having a game.
Okay, there's no game. So the mechanics of the game is the music stops, you sit on the chair, okay? Okay.
Ready?
yung pabituin.
Hindi alam ni Amara yan.
Okay, now, rock, paper, scissors, pick.
Hindi alam ni Amara yan. Hindi alam niya. Hindi niya yan alam.
I don't know if this is scissors. This is rock. What's that? That's not scissors. That's sharpener.
Hindi yan alam eh. Hindi niya yan alam.
Okay, so, wala po tayo. Oh, dalawa na ang winner natin this time. Yay, congratulations. Give,
Oh, wala.
come on, kuya. Come. You also won. And, ate. Ria. Okay, congratulations. Happy birthday to the celebrant and the winners.
Orbe. You got one. Orbe. Thank you.
Okay, give some of Fran and then okay, so Mami Kayla po. Come in front. Kita po ako. Come in front po. Okay, dito po tayo, ma'am. Kids, tika dito muna. Kids. Who wants to volunteer?
Mommy is ano? No. Mommy is me.
So, basic questions lamang po ito at hindi mo ito makita. Okay, example question. Nagbigay ng nakikita sa ating semento. Balloon. Lights. Flower. Cake. Numbers. Gift. Okay, so this time, bawal ako ang battery, bawal din po ang sino, at bawal po ang nakakaan human, and 3 or 2. Hindi po ako nagpapasabi ng bawal. Okay. Okay, so for our first question, magbigay ng ingredients ng halo-halo. Ice cream? Gulaman? Naulit pa. Naulit yung sagon nila. Magkano pa kayo yung sagonin niyo? Okay, ma'am. Nandiyan na po. Out na po kayo. Okay, so for the second question, magbigay ng bundok sa Pilipinas. Ano tayo? Bundok ako. Okay, ma'am. Out na po kayo. Nag-loading si ma'am. Attention na po. Okay, for the third question. Bukod sa Abu Dhabi, magbigay ng isa sa 7 Emirates, Sharjah, Dubai. Bakit po tinagawa naman? Hindi pinapakita ko ng digital eyes. To Jaira, pero nag-loading si Ma'am Ashman. Okay, ma'am, out na po kayo. Okay, for the fourth question. So this time, medyo hihirapan naman natin. Magbigay ng element sa table of elements. Well done. Ma'am? Hydrogen. What? H2O is? Water. Okay. So, may mag-loading sa atin. Alam niyo na kung sino. Okay, ma'am, pasensya na po. Out na po kayo. Okay. For the last and final question. Hirap-hirapan naman natin. Okay, so this time, magbigay na ni ma'am kesa sa answer ni ma'am. Hindi ko narinig. Luneta Park. Chocolate Hills. Okay, so wala pa rin po tayong winner this time. Okay, for the last question. Magbigay ng sangkap ng adobo.
Toyo.
Toyo? Tinawanan lang ako ni ma'am. Ay, hindi pala siya nagluluto. Full orders lang.
Yun niya.
Ma'am, tubig. Pwede ang tubig. Okay, ma'am, out na po kayo. Pasensya na po. Okay, for the winner, picture po muna tayo together with our celebrant.